Hi, it's Samantha and my cousin Ashley. We're on project number 2. This is actually a nacho volcano and taco train. The idea came from Ashiana. Actually, we brainstormed this a few weeks ago and finally brought it together. As you can see, we put together tacos. It's a mix of vegan tacos and chicken tacos. And we've got a volcano that was made with tomato sauce. And I'll put all the ingredients and recipe up on the blog for anyone that's interested in how to make this. But we basically, as you can see, used cucumbers for wheels that are held together with carrot sticks. So everything's edible. And Ashiana's brilliant idea was to actually make string cheese tracks. So that's also edible. Everything here can be eaten, except for, of course, this volcano. But yeah, that's true too. And the bowls. But it's all, this is very cheesy. And for someone like me who can't eat cheese, I'm going to only be able to eat a taco. So that's basically it for this project. It was a lot of fun. And we're going to be doing another huge one, so stay tuned for that one. I'm not going to divulge any details yet, but it's going to be massive.
Surprise.
Yeah, big surprise. Have a great weekend. It's Canada Day weekend, so I just want to say Happy Canada Day. And that's it. Bye.